Today in the grain market, soybeans rallied. The new sales to China really helped the market move higher. The exports were well above the USDA forecast, and first notice deliveries were much more than expected. Brazil is also getting great weather and planting. I think that might be, really holding the market in check. But there's 2/3 finished there in Brazil, so things could be going. Maybe that is going to be trouble down the road, but right now the market is looking very, very well. Now, corn did slip. Maybe it would have slipped a little more had soybeans been off, but it did come back some. Export sales are at the smallest since 2012 and the second smallest since 1990. This is really significant, I would say. Then traders are skeptical about if China is really going to be buying any ag products. And I think that there's some real nerves being tested here. Is this really going to help? But I would say that the market rallied today up to $3.91. I think that's pretty good. We know that to get above $4 would be definitely the signal that we're going to be moving higher, but we've got a little ways to go here. So in some ways we are just moving a little bit sideways on that note. Wheat was firm today. The good news out of Argentina, the Buenos Aires Grain Exchange really cut the wheat crop estimate to 18.8 from 20.5 on the USDA side. Australia also lowered their crop estimates as well. This is significant, and I think that export sales are a little bit better, and commitments are about the same right now, but that's giving the market a little bit of a lift, and that's why we see it higher today. Even though we're almost testing that $5 mark for wheat, we really bounced off it handsomely, I should say. So we're well up above the $5.10 or $5.13 we got to today. So the market still looks good, but there's going to be a lot of volatility ahead. Questions remain as to what our yield numbers are. We're going to be watching for that closely as time comes up, and we're going to be looking forward to November 8th, a USDA crop report.